I'm Romel from CYDI. My experience going to Illinois Media School was low-key slight cool.
But this is Illinois Media School. I'm an alumni of Illinois Media School. It's a great place to learn about film, broadcasting, TV, radio broadcasting, audio, studio recording. They have a plethora of different programs here, so let's go check it out.
I liked all the electronics, like, you feel me? I seen the green screen room, you feel me? What I really liked about it was the studio room. I know we had a couple vloggers with us or whatever. I know they was experienced with cameras and stuff, so they got more into the filming room. So yeah, the Illinois Media School gave me some ideas on wanting to go there, play around with the editing. I seen that they be playing instruments or whatever, so I wanted to see more of what was to that. Well, I seen a lot of producers and I feel like it'll help me further along my career. All right, so I feel like CYDI helps me and brings me to a comfort zone to learn better and learn a little bit more when I develop and go to the Illinois Media School. This Mill from CYDI, and thanks for listening.